Hey everyone, I'm Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to make these two hairstyles which are specially for greasy scalp or oiled hair. If you have applied oil in your hair and you want to make some hairstyle, you want to go out, you can try these hairstyles which are very easy, super simple. So without talking too much, let's get started. But make sure you subscribe to my channel before I start the video. So second hairstyle is almost ready. I'm just pulling some hair to give it a little voluminous look. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you are not done yet, do it now. Also hit the bell button right next to it to get the notification of future videos. Details are given on the screen in the beginning of the video. That's all for today. I'll meet you later. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.